In this video, I'm asking some well-known spinners about their first mod. So whether you're just starting out or you've been spinning for a while, you could learn a few things about people's first mods. First, we have Reboot. His first mod looks to be some kind of self-made yellow mod. He told me he was watching Penstock's video on bad self-made mods, but since he didn't understand English very well, he thought it meant they were good as for a beginner.
Go make a piece of crap out of sticks and shit first. It would feel and look like garbage. You will most likely find pen spinning an extremely boring exercise.
Whoa.
Hey, look, I got myself a new pen mod.
Oh.
Now you're ready.
Fast forward several years and he's now one of the best power spinners in the world. Next we have Magi, the objectively best French spinner. Apparently he had this really bad Amazon mod for a little bit before he lost it soon after, so he told me his first real mod was an Ivan Giotto, which is a pretty nice mod to have as your first mod. He also told me the lore of this mod, which you can pause and read here if you want. Next we have PBB, also known as Pro Bloodbag, a great link spinner with also great aesthetics. He told me his first mod was this Gigao Buster clone with a rubber barrel, which you've probably seen somewhere. But his first real mod was the classic Buster Waterfell from Penwish, which was recommended to beginners a while ago. Next we have Barney, aka previous World Cup 2022 World Champion, and was known as the Wiper Guy. He said his first mod was an Ivan ST, which is probably the most recommended pen mod today for beginners. Next we have Gary, who we don't know what his spinning looks like, but he is one of the most prominent pen modders of his time. He said his first mod was at first a chopstick, but then he got a metal Kamsa with sailor grips from Penwish, but then he lost it apparently and got a red Gigao V11 from Amazon, so his actual first mod might have been this. But the first mod he made from a tutorial was a Toro MX, but he says his first real mod might have also been a clear grip Flying Panda from Penstock, or Lemon Mod V2 from UXZ, but he says it's kind of hard to remember, and that's why he has about 10 first mods. The next spinner is Crou, my favorite spinner and amazing at power. His first mod was one of this from Amazon. I don't know much about how much it weighs or how long it is, but I definitely remember him spinning it a lot even after he got his new mods, which just goes to show you don't really need anything fancy to get to this level. Next we have 82PS, one of the best power spinners. He said his first mod was a normal pen with no ink tube and 2 caps, but his first real mod was this one he got somewhere. To me it looks like this one I found on Amazon. 82PS was also known to spin these crappy Amazon mods for a long time, even after he got really good at power spinning. Next we have Mummy, a great pen technical spinner recently delving into 2 pen spinning. His first mod was a mod he got from a Penstock giveaway, also known as the Travel mod. If I remember correctly, he spun this mod for a while even after he got good, which really shows, if you found something that works for you, there's no need to change it. Now going to my first mod, I'm pretty sure it was the Flying Panda from Penstock. I spun this a lot, even after I made other crappy makeshift pen mods, I still spun my Flying Panda for a while. All in all, your first pen mod probably doesn't matter as much as some might think, but if you had to ask what I would recommend, it would probably be something like an Ivan ST, or if you can't get that, maybe just try Gary's Walmart mod, or Gary's Staple mod, as those are made from pens easily accessible in the USA. Thanks for watching, see you next time.